Hey, coffee lovers. Today we're diving deep into the Diletta Bello Plus, a machine that's making waves in the home espresso scene. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk upgrades. The Plus in Bello Plus isn't just for show. The biggest change, this PID temperature control. It's a game changer for consistency. No more temperature swings, just perfectly stable brewing shot after shot. And check this out, programmable pre-infusion. Dial in your extraction just how you like it. Whether you prefer a gentle soak or a more intense pre-infusion, you're in control. The PID display also doubles as a shot timer. Super handy for nailing those perfect extraction times. No more guessing. Now, let's talk milk. This steam wand, it's a beast. Powerful, maneuverable, and makes creating silky microfoam a breeze. Latte art, anyone? And let's not forget the build. This thing is solid. Stainless steel E61 group head, it feels like a professional machine right on your countertop. Okay, let's talk about the taste. The Bello Plus delivers rich, complex espresso with beautiful crema. The improved temperature stability really shines through in the flavor. Bonus points for the hot water dispenser, great for Americanos or tea. Now, let's get real. It's not perfect. It's a premium machine, so it comes with a premium price tag, and it does take a bit of time to heat up. Plus, there is a learning curve, especially if you are new to E61 machines, and its size might be a problem for smaller kitchens. But here's the thing, if you're serious about espresso, if you appreciate the ritual and the control, the Diletta Bello Plus is a fantastic investment. It's a machine that rewards your patience and dedication. So is it worth it? If you're looking for a top-tier home espresso experience, absolutely. It's a blend of classic design and modern tech that delivers exceptional results. That's it for our review. Thanks for watching and happy brewing.